Hello and welcome to this virtual visit at Marina Park here in the Cork South Docklands. I suppose we're standing here in this most iconic of locations in front of the Páirc Uí Chaoimh Stadium, which was designed by Scott Talon Walker and structural engineers Malachy Walsh and Partners. It opened in 2017 and it replaced the original Páirc Uí Chaoimh Stadium, which was there since 1976. You will see here a magnificent roof structure with a cantilever truss of 40 metres on the south stand, and there is a 21 metre cantilever on the north stand. Now where we are here is in the Marina Park itself, which is going to be one of Cork's largest public parks. It stretches from Shandon Boat Club over on the city end, or on the western side of here, down as far as Blackrock Village. So here we are just in front of the red shed, but I just want to point out a few other things up here to you. Down here to my left there at the end of Monaghan Road, that is actually the entranceway into the Marina Park itself, which stretches, as I said, from here to Blackrock. But all of this parkland here is part of a sustainable urban drainage system for this part of the park. This area is very low-lying, is prone to flooding. So we have the stream here, which in very high rain events there's a very large storage capacity here in this lovely recessed grassed area, as well as over here. And this large, what looks like a football pitch or a playing ground, this is also a very large capacity storm water holding tank, which takes runoff from the north side of this area, holds it here, bleeds it off through into this stream, and then makes its way down to the Atlantic Pond, through the Atlantic Pond and out into, through a tidal flap, into the River Lee. And I suppose here under, you see in the distance there, the 5G AstroTurf as part of Páirc Uí Chaoimh, and actually that is another very large stormwater holding area. The whole of the underside of the 5G pitch is actually covered with storm water holding tanks. So a very, very large capacity there, again, to try and alleviate the storm flooding events. And again, obviously we're getting more and more of those. So what I'd like to take you next is actually into the red shed itself and actually explain some of the structure to you. Here we are inside the red shed, half of which is roofed and the other half not. Its primary purpose here at the moment is hosting a coffee kiosk, with generally loads of people sitting out here and enjoying this lovely space. I'm assuming that there'll be other uses here for the open area and for other events or markets or whatever that might happen. But if we actually look at the structure itself, the columns consist of 200 by 200 millimetre square hollow sections supporting these very elegant roof trusses, which are very much, I suppose, based or designed around what was the old Cork Showground structure that was here, which in themselves had a red roof. So you see these very attractive haunch plate details, which are supporting the truss. The purlins are at 1 metre centre to centre supporting the roof cladding. And then down the side we have approximately 1.5 metres of the upper level is actually clad as well. So the structure in itself is 45 metres north to south, with 2 bays, each of 9.1 metres across the space.